Hello friends, welcome back to our channel Geologica. Today in this video we are going to see about an exam that is APSET, yani Andhra Pradesh State Eligibility Test. So if you want to be an assistant professor in Andhra Pradesh, you should appear in this exam. And this exam many times also considered as equivalent to the CSIR NET exam. So let me take you to the website of this APSET 2021 and we will see what is this exam, how many papers are there, and what is the eligibility criteria. So let's go to the official website. So finally we are here on the official website of APSET, that is Andhra Pradesh State Eligibility Test. This is the home page and you will get notification by clicking on the notification button. So this is the notification for APSET. You can take a screenshot or you can download directly from the website. And what are the eligibility criteria? Eligibility criteria is same as of CSIR NET. You should have passed your master's degree in the related subject with minimum 55% marks and university which is recognized by the UGC. But one thing is important, there is no upper age limit for this exam. And what you will get, the qualified candidates will be eligible for the post of assistant professor only in the university or colleges which is situated in the Andhra Pradesh, because it is a state eligibility test. And in some vacancies like the scientific assistant or the project assistant, this exam is considered somewhere equivalent to the CSIR NET. Okay, so these were the eligibility criteria. Now let us see the important dates. So currently the 13th September is the last date for submission of application form, and they already given us 3 other dates for the late registration fees plus 1000, that is 21st, 28th, and finally on the 8th of October the portal will be closed and you will get hall ticket or the admit card from 22nd October 2021, and finally the exam will be conducted on the 31st October 2021. Now let us see what are the subjects. Definitely our subject Earth Sciences is there as I am making this video, but there are also other scientific subjects like the environmental science, life sciences, you have the physical sciences, okay, you have the chemical sciences, and some outside subjects like anthropology, history, commerce, economics, education, English. So a lot of subjects are there. Now there are 2 papers. Paper 1 is common. So in the paper 1 they will ask about the teaching aptitude, research aptitude, comprehension, communication, mathematical and reasoning aptitude, logical reasoning, data interpretation. So these are the common things which will be asked in the paper 1, and in paper 2 is exact the same as of CSIR NET. Okay, so if you have a CSIR NET syllabus, the same syllabus belongs to this paper. You can also download from here. Okay, now come to the examination center. You have to come in the Andhra Pradesh to give this exam. So we have examination centers, that is Visakhapatnam, Rajmundry, Guntur, Nellore, Anantapur, Tirupati, Khandapa and Kurnool. So these are the examination centers. So finally you can click here on the registration to start your registration, and the examination fees, registration fees are 1200, 1000 and 700 based on the different categories. So it's all about for today. Thank you.